introverts, come out to play. We got us another filming in public. Just got through getting through security. Let me tell you something. Y'all need to invest in that TSA pre-approved, pre-check thingamabob. The line was so empty, and I felt like royalty walking through while everybody else was in the mere mortal line going through security. So TSA pre-check gets my approval. You need to make sure you get into that. And again, we're doing a series of filming ourselves in public at the Tulsa airport on our way back to the great state of Texas. Got us a layover in H-Town. Then from H-Town, flying into that old Austin. Then I hit my way back home from the Barber's Tejas. And as you can see, it is empty as hell. So, let's get this thing popping. No Starbucks, Epstein bagels and eggs. When was the last time you had a nice hot quality Cinnabon? First, the beauty of vlogging out here in this public is you don't have any kind of lines, no rehearsals. It's all live and treated, but it's also a curse and a blessing. How many of y'all have tried these nice high quality chairs at the airport? I'm telling you that the truth, and I'm about to jump on it. Got plenty of time to kill, so check if you can charge your phone right here while you get your nice high quality massage. Nice high quality massage, people. Get it in your life at the airport. Filming in public, people. Filming in public. No fun people in a place to be. When you start eating a little bit healthier, you can't eat certain stuff anymore. And I was eating my 7 bun, and I still got this much left. And I'm like, ain't no way I can eat the rest of this damn bun. That's a big ass bun, y'all. Good God Almighty, I can't believe when I was young, I used to eat 2 of these. What the hell was I thinking? Now I can't even eat one. Sad. I've been on this first plane to H-Town from Tulsa. State of Tejas, Houston, Texas, ladies.
41. Folks, check the monitors for gate. There have been a lot of gate changes. So check the
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm here. Soon to be there.
Yeah, right.
It's a super fast flight.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Two fabulous cities. Our first stop today is Austin, and then some of you will be continuing on flight number 1853 to Denver with us. For your safety and service today, you've got 2.5 absolutely fabulous flight attendants on board. You've got Braden at the back of the airwing window exits, 2 exits at the back of the aircraft, sides overhead, disco lights on the floor, all lead to an exit. If an evacuation
nice high quality 28-minute flight from Houston to Austin, people. So what have we learned today in our another series of filming ourselves in public, airport edition? You can use your nice high quality iPhone just fine. With the front and back cameras, you can get you some nice shots. And remember, filming in public is always awkward as hell. But like I said, jumping into, it's like jumping into a pool or the ocean. You just gotta let your body get used to it, baby. Anyway, it's your boy, Young Rico, aka the Introverted Creator. Until next episode, people.